Yo, what's up mga kasugoy? Welcome back to my channel. Ngayon kung bago ka pala sa akin channel, please do subscribe, like and share and comment, and click the notification bell para updated ka sa aking mga latest video. If you're ready guys, let's go! Ngayon guys, usong-uso ngayon yung mga ML, mga online gaming, mga e-games, E4 esports, Parang gusto kong pumasok dyan, Parang gusto kong pasukin yung mga mundo nila Doggy, nila Chooks, Anyway, guys, I'm sure there's a lot of, income that will give you playing ML, There's a lot of financial stability na may ibibigay ito sa'yo if you are good playing esports, Kasi talaga in demand na siya, Pero guys, just to give you an introduction, I'm just thinking kung papasukan ko siya or I'll just think about it, Anyway guys, yun lang naman gusto ko i-share, na ang paglalaro ng esports at saka course na siya. Actually, meron ng course, guys, Ayusin ko lang face mask ko, Meron ng course for the esports. So sa mga bata dyan, na nangangarap na mag-play to become a good player of esports, pwede nang gawing career yan, guys. And besides, yung swelduhan dyan, napakalaki. So yun lang guys, Just to give you an introduction, this is my Mobile Legend intro.
I give the word.
Hanggang dito na lang guys. Muli, ito po si Cesar Castillo nagsasabing, tirahin mo na yan, baka tirahin pa ng iba. Until next time guys, Kasugoy, peace to all. Shout out sa inyong lahat and God bless. Sugoy desne.